Welcome back. It's week 3 of the training camp, and you've all done an amazing job so far. You're well on your way to earning that badge and becoming an expert in document automation. Before we go through what's in store for week 3, let's do a recap. So week 2 was awesome, and you built and honed your skills with regards to extraction. Firstly, you learned how to create a learning instance, the cornerstone of any document automation program. You then learned how to create custom aliases, which can be super useful if there are some fields in the document that may have different labels. And then you learned from myself all about using generative AI to extract data from unstructured documents. And you topped it all off by learning how to configure the control room for device pools, users, and Copilot. What a week it was. And believe it or not, there's still a lot more to cover with extraction. So week 3, here we are. Now I want you to think about all the ways you read a document. When you see something on the page that doesn't look right, like a phone number in the wrong format, or an ID number that's missing a character, you immediately recognize that and address it. In week 3, we'll show you the tools you need to ensure your extracted data is both accurate and useful to your processes. We'll even show you how to work with tricky tabular data, which is crucial since so many documents have important information in tables. Bank statements, pay stubs, invoices and more, they're all full of tables that will require these advanced techniques. Also included in week 3 are videos about how you can leverage Azure AI document processing to work with standard forms and how to optimize your document automation setup to maximize throughput. You do not want to miss this week. Now let's get this training week officially started by unveiling your action plan for the week. Number 1, go through the course list at your own pace. Remember, it's designed to take less than 2 hours. Number 2, get hands-on. Try out the concepts as you learn them. Number 3, connect with the Automation Anywhere community. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and learn from others. And then finally, number 4, join our live session at the end of the week for additional insights and community engagement. Remember, this camp is your opportunity to master AI-powered document processing and transform your business operations. Embrace the journey, stay curious, follow along, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. We're thrilled to have you here, so let's dive in, start this exciting learning adventure together. Thank you for watching, and go be great.